my people, and welcome to People's Voice for iBrandTV. And me, I remain your girl Kaliobi. And today I did for the street of Lagos. As you can see, it done the rain for some days now. And people, they always call this rain 7 days rain. 7 days rain supposed to be blessing. But some people don't, some places don't they flooded because drainage don't block. People need to hear what they throw dirty, they throw rubber, they throw different things inside gutter where they made the place block. And if you block, tell me how the place no go flood. And they always say if you want rent house, make you rent house when it rain, so that rain no go pursue you when it begin the rain go come pursue landlord, pursue tenant, and nobody will come know who get house. But I'm gonna show them pictures of places where don't they flood. Man, stay tuned for People's Voice because I gonna give answer now as it goes.